got an overall view about what you're gonna learn in this course. Now let's see about how the games has been evolved to bring more money. I remember in my childhood the games were made just for entertainment. Only kids used to play games and spend time with games. But nowadays the gaming industry has grown so huge. Do you know one thing? In the year 2014, the income from gaming industry is $20 billion in USA alone. Can you imagine how big the growth is? The earnings were calculated based on buying video games, working in a gaming company, buying a console, etc. The growth is becoming high in gaming industry because there are plenty of options to earn from games, and in addition there are plenty of choices available through which you can make a choice and select the one you need. There are console gaming, PC gaming and mobile gaming. You should not think that there are only these types of games that are available. Apart from these types, there are different methods of games as well. So since there are a lot of options available, many make use of this opportunity. There are many games. If you are a lover of adventure, then you can select the adventurous games. There are games for everyone. The only thing you need to find out is which one brings you pleasure and earnings. Do you know that you can even earn money by playing games? If you are not aware of this, do not worry. Our course will help you learn everything about how to earn money in the gaming industry. My next lecture will help you with good knowledge about the different methods that are available in the industry to earn money. So let us move on to the next lecture.